the best quality. All the living lives in the universe have that the desire of asking question and seeking answers. Question can be any type, physical, mental, emotional, psychological, geometrical, spiritual, scientific, any kind of question. But the biggest desire in us, in all the living life in the universe, has that we want to ask question and see answer for that. And question is a sign of curiosity. Like because we are curious about something, or we are curious about anything, so we will ask questions. And what is the most beautiful thing about questions? That a single question generate countless questions, and these countless questions tends to countless answer. This is the most beautiful thing about questions. And because we are in the field of science, we understand everything by example. So I'm going to give you an example. Suppose we are we want to launch a rocket in space, okay, and we want to send a satellite which revolve around Mars, okay. We can take any planet, but suppose we are taking Mars, okay. So what the question we have first, is basic question: how can we send rocket to Mars? Okay, I know that Indian has sent rocket to Mars already, but we are taking example for understanding what I'm saying, okay. So suppose we want to send rocket to Mars. So first question, what is, we want to send satellite on Mars. So this is the first question. Now see that how many questions will generate from this only single question. How many questions will generate, you will see. So because we want to launch a rocket to Mars, and we want to put satellite in it on, so we can satellite can revolve around Mars, okay. So what are the things we need to study? What are the question become subset of this question? So what is the first main question is that what we should care, and what are the things we are main thing what we need to care about making rocket. So see how many. The first question comes to is that what are the material which rocket is made of? Like rocket made of different kind of element. I am talking about its body, like what kind of material we should use, either it is steel, aluminium, iron, gold, silver, whatever. What should be the best body, so maybe material which can we make rocket, okay. So this is the first question. Now what is the second question? That how much its weight should be, it accurate, that it will be it can hold satellite in it, okay, and it will go properly in the space, and it won't fuel out. So these are the most I'm just talking about the points which are we can generate on count on fingers. There are countless things we need to care about, but I am talking about the point which is help us to understand the thing at a broader spectrum and easily. I'm only talking these stuff, okay. So we talk about material, we talk about and then we talk about how much how these are for sufficient space in rocket for fuel we are caring about. So see one question, that how can we send rocket to Mars? These are the subset which are coming out of that, and these are the one question which are generating question continuously. And the question didn't stop here. Like suppose, because we are sending a rocket to the Mars, so what is the question we have now? That because if we all know that, because if we are student of science, that if we want to send something out of the earth from Earth, so what we need first to care about escape velocity. So what we should, and if someone don't know what escape velocity, he or she will has to understand the escape velocity. He should go in the direction of that. See one question only, that how can we send rocket on Mars, is just touching and opening new dimension of question and new dimension of answer. Then what is our most more thing, that we have to care about gravity, earth gravity, because we have to care about how earth gravity, when we are sending flying rocket to the Mars, that how much earth gravity will try to put it down. We have to care about that. And when the rocket will be out of the earth, and when it will reach in the gravity zone of Mars, how Mars gravity will affect rocket. If a rocket just enter into the gravity field of Mars, that its gravity will pull down or not. or how much it will affect. You are seeing how many questions are just you see how many questions are coming out of just one question. That one question is generating 1,000 questions, and the countless questions it can generate. When we are when we are planning to launch our rocket on Earth, okay, so first we have to care about that. We have to care about that what will be the perfect weather for flying of rocket. We have to care about that. See, from one question, that planning and launching a rocket into space because we want to send our satellite to Mars. So it can revolve around Mars. There are countless questions which are generating from one question. And it is the most beautiful quality that human life we have, that if we want to do something, we ask questions, and these questions we ask, then they generate countless questions, and in the process of countless questions we get countless answers, and our work is done. This is the best quality lives have, that we can do work. Why? By how? By asking questions and seeking answers. It is the most natural thing we all have. We humans and all the living lives in the universe are too special and too significant in the universe, because we can do anything. We can imagine what will be going in the world after 50 years and 50 years and 500 years and 5,000 years and to the infinite time. We can imagine, and we can do work to make it more beautiful and more peaceful. We can do work to make world more peaceful. I'm giving you one more example, like how one question generates countless questions. I'm giving you one more example, okay? Suppose, because we all know that this is not a case, suppose that we all know that our environment is becoming more and more polluted day by day. So what is the question we ask? What is the basic question we ask here? That what can we do to make our environment pure and clean? Simple question, one question. Okay, one question. And now every question is a set that generates subset. If this is a question and it generates set one, okay. If we see set and it generates subset, one is like that and one is like that. Then these two subset, again from it there will be two subset, there will be two subset, and it goes to infinity. Question never end at any end. There is nothing like ending in question. So because what will we talking about, that if we want to make our environment less polluted and more clear, so what will because this is the first question we ask, and now how much we can, so we get the answer. There are plastic damaging it, okay. There are petrol and diesel vehicle are which are causing immensely damage to the environment. So we are, and like when we are studying and we are making plan of that, what are the main factors on the earth which are polluting the environment. So we will get countless questions and countless things, that we will get countless facts that this is affecting, this is affecting, this is affecting, this is affecting, this is affecting. So we get countless facts like that, okay. So now when we come to the solution, that because plastic is damaging, we should replace plastic. Now what is the question arise from that? We should replace plastic by which material? See, the question arise here. We should replace plastic by which material? Now the question someone comes to my mind, paper. Like they used to the market, in one market there are many bottles, cold drink bottle, they are made of plastic, but there are some milk bottle which is in paper bag, which they are made out of paper. So what are you thinking, that paper they are just natural thinking that paper? No, they thought about countless material, that with plastic, if we are replacing, what are the other things we can use. So they found the paper is the best. So see, from one question they become countless question, and countless subset from one subset, and one subset that one solution is solved. So from one question is a branch of tree, like a tree, and there are many branches. Question work like that. So suppose one branch and one question is solved. Like we can replace like that. Now we are talking about another thing. Like we have we have petrol vehicle and diesel vehicle. Which work on petrol and diesel. I am just talking about them. So and there are many generators which used to run on diesel in the world. So what we thought, that what can we do to make we replace them with something else. So what we found, that we can make electric vehicle. So there are many electric companies which are running in the world, and they are growing day by day, and in the decade before they are established, and now they are in too much, they are too much earning, and they are just growing like crazy. So this is the thing I'm talking about. We and then the solution of generator we invented, and we are using solar technology, solar power, solar plate we are using normally in our home. You are seeing that one question we ask, that how can we make our environment more and more pure? From this thing, how many subject can appear in front of us? From one question, how many questions start generating from one question? And from these questions, how many answers appear in front of us? You are seeing. So the more we ask questions now, the more we see answers. This is the thing I am talking about. And this is the best quality life have. To asking questions and seeking answers. And even a single question can generate countless questions, and countless questions can generate countless answers. So it is a whole thing we human have, to ask questions and seek answers. Thank you.